Are you ready to transform your home into a magical Christmas wonderland without breaking the bank? Do you want to know how to turn simple Dollar Tree finds into stunning holiday decorations? Stay tuned because we're diving into the ultimate guide for Dollar Tree Christmas decorations that will wow your guests and make your home festive on a budget. What are the best Dollar Tree Christmas decorations for 2024? Answer: Dollar Tree offers an amazing selection of decorations every year, and 2024 is no exception. Here are some of the top picks to look out for this season. Ornaments galore. From glittery baubles to rustic wooden ornaments, Dollar Tree has a variety of options to suit any holiday theme. Festive garlands. Whether you prefer classic tinsel or trendy bead garlands, you'll find the perfect touch to decorate your tree, mantle, or staircase. Mini Christmas trees. These adorable tabletop trees are perfect for small spaces or DIY projects. Love these ideas? Hit that like button and share this video with your friends who love Christmas decorating on a budget. How can I make Dollar Tree decorations look high-end? Answer: making Dollar Tree items look expensive is easier than you think. Here's how. DIY upgrades. Add a personal touch by painting, glittering, or using faux snow on basic items. A little customization goes a long way. Layer and combine. Pair Dollar Tree finds with higher quality items or layer them for a fuller, more cohesive look. Use lighting. Incorporate fairy lights or LED candles to elevate the ambiance and make inexpensive decorations shine. Got your own Dollar Tree upgrade ideas? Drop a comment below and let us know your favorite DIY tips. How do I decorate my tree with only Dollar Tree items? Answer: decorating an entire tree with Dollar Tree items is totally doable and looks fantastic. Choose a theme. Stick to a color scheme or motif like rustic, metallic, or traditional red and green for a polished look. Layer the decor. Start with garlands, then add ornaments, and finish with a topper. All available at Dollar Tree. Fill the gaps. Use floral picks, ribbons, or even candy canes to fill any empty spaces on your tree. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more budget-friendly holiday tips like these. What are some unique DIY Christmas crafts from Dollar Tree? Answer: you can unleash your creativity with Dollar Tree supplies. Here are some fun craft ideas. Snow globe jars. Use mason jars, Dollar Tree figurines, and faux snow to create enchanting snow globes. Holiday wreaths. Craft beautiful wreaths using wire frames, ornaments, and garlands, all from Dollar Tree. Customize stockings. Personalize plain stockings with glitter, fabric paint, or iron-on patches for a unique touch. Want more inspiration? Check out the playlist in the description for similar DIY projects. How can I create affordable table centerpieces using Dollar Tree items? Answer: transform your dining table into a festive masterpiece with these budget-friendly ideas. Candle displays. Use Dollar Tree candle holders, faux snow, and greenery for an elegant centerpiece. Mini tree arrangements. Group mini trees with ornaments and fairy lights for a magical table display. Seasonal vases. Fill clear vases with ornaments, pine cones, or faux cranberries for a chic holiday look. Want to recreate these looks? Check out the products used in this video, linked in the description. What are some stocking stuffer ideas available at Dollar Tree? Answer: Dollar Tree is perfect for finding affordable and fun stocking stuffers for everyone in the family. Toys and games. From small puzzles to figurines, you'll find great options for kids. Holiday treats. Stock up on candy canes, chocolates, and holiday-themed snacks. Self-care items. Mini lotions, bath bombs, and candles make great additions for adults. Like what you see? Grab these products from the Dollar Tree and make your stockings extra special. What are some outdoor decoration ideas from Dollar Tree? Answer: make your outdoor space festive and inviting without overspending. DIY light displays. Use Dollar Tree solar lights and add decorations like bows or tinsel for a charming setup. Front door decor. Combine wreaths, ribbons, and signs from Dollar Tree to create a warm welcome for guests. Yard stakes and signs. Dollar Tree's holiday yard stakes are a quick and easy way to add festive flair to your lawn or pathway. For more outdoor Christmas ideas, check out the description for similar videos. Conclusion. So whether you're decorating your tree, crafting DIY projects, or stuffing stockings, Dollar Tree has everything you need to make this Christmas unforgettable without overspending. With a little creativity and inspiration, you can transform these budget finds into decorations that look like they came straight out of a designer catalog. Happy decorating!